Take one.
Hi, this is John.
And this is John.
And we're John versus John.
John versus John. What are we doing today, John?
Episode 19, we're building tall bikes.
Wait a second. Now, you've been talking about this for months. And I see you have bikes everywhere. You've been telling me about this for months. What is a tall bike?
So a tall bike is where you take one bike and then you take the frame of another bike and you literally weld it on top of it, and you connect the steering, you connect the chain, and now your seat and where you're sitting and where you're driving, where you're pedaling,
So it's just basically putting another bike on top
straight
of
up end over end.
Okay.
And then when we're done, the seat will then be about 6 feet off the ground.
Okay.
And you'll see, and it's real fun to ride. It's a little sketchy, of course, which anything that's kind of sketchy is usually fun.
Where'd you get these bikes from?
I passed a guy who had a bunch of bikes in his trailer, and I pulled over and wrote a note on his car that said, if you're throwing these bikes away, please call us. And
I mean, there's some pretty awesome bikes.
yeah, so he came over the next day and brought 6 bikes for us, and so yeah, we're gonna do this. And
So we're going to put these two together and
Yeah.
these two together.
yeah, those two and those two. And
putting this chain guard on here, but I'm not really sure if I want to put it like this way or like or this way, or maybe I'm gonna cut it right here so to just have like a protecting thing here.
dude, let's hide, man. Just no, you don't need that right now.
All right, let's go.
Good luck, dude.
Thanks.
It's a little different. It's a lot easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
But it is pretty cool. You almost feel like you're on a roller coaster because you're above the balance line.
Yeah. Yeah, just wait till we're riding these in inner city Baltimore.
Yeah, we'll see.